In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the reticle in Hunter Call of the Wild. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the reticle or the crosshair of any sight that you are using. You will be able to do this if you have purchased the newly released Sights and Scopes DLC, or if you just are playing without any sort of DLC installed. So in order to customize the reticles for any sight that you have in Hunter Call of the Wild, just go over to your storage. So go into a tent or go to an outpost and access your storage. Inside of your storage, go into your inventory or the locker and hover over any specific site that you would like to customize. When you hover over any site available in the game, if you look at the bottom left, you will find the customize option. So in this example here, all that you would have to do is press Y. But of course, this might be different depending on your platform. For example, if you are playing on PC, it is going to be a keyboard button instead of a specific controller one. So when you choose customize, you will go into the customization menu where you can actually change the reticle. So you will see all of the reticles that you have available here. You will see the one that you have equipped, and you will see the price to change into different ones. So it seems like the standard price is 4,500, and you can purchase any of these. Keep in mind that if you have purchased the DLC that they released, you will have access to more reticles. If you don't have the DLC, you will simply have the standard ones, which should be 7, and you can choose any of them from this list. You will be able to choose them and then apply. There might be more customization options, such as the color, depending on the specific scope or reticle that you chose, but for a basic customization, this is all you have to do. So you choose it here, and then once it is selected, you will be able to apply it into your weapon of choice. Then go over to your inventory and make sure that it is equipped. I hope I was able to help you on how to change the reticle in Hunter Call of the Wild. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.